So hey everyone, this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash. I know long time no see. And if in case you don't know about me, I'm a full-time data analyst in Hyderabad. And I want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on and what I have been up to.
So you might have noticed that I haven't been super active on this channel. It's because I'm focusing
Focusing on my startup channel that is Shivai. So basically it's a startup. If you have seen my latest video, it covers it all. So it's a startup that I have been building where I share everything about data analytics from tools, tips, tutorials, and mentorship programs. All are there. And if you're already following Shivai on social media, you already know that I post weekly on YouTube as well as other platforms such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and all other places. I post on a regular basis. But you must be thinking, what about this account? Why I'm not posting here? So this account is more of a, my personal space where I share my experience as a data analyst, things that I've learned and things that I've experienced on a personal level. Little bit different from data analytics too. And some insights from my journey, from my life journey basically. So it's a less structured, it's a little less structured and a bit more real, you can say, this particular channel. And if you're on your thing of regular updates, I've been posting actively on LinkedIn, Medium, and Instagram of my where I'm just sharing my career tips, writing carousel post about all the things that are happening in data analytics right now. And of course, on Medium, whole articles are there. And on Twitter, I'm sharing my quick thoughts and on threads also. So make sure you follow me on these platforms to stay connected with me. All the links for all the social media account will be in Linktree that will be in description. So now let's get back onto this channel that you're subscribed to. I hope that I will be posting it on a monthly basis, uh, a content that is more personal and experience based from my end. And for on more frequent and educational content, you can check out Shivai, where I continue to post weekly basis. All the things from tutorials, tips, guidance, and insights are there. And in case you're interested in learning data analytics, which if you follow me, I'm guessing that you are, or you want a professional mentorship, there's always a course that I've been referring in all my videos. That is my data analytics mastery course that is designed for beginners as well as professionals. So it's a 12-week program with one-on-one coaching, resume reviews, mock interviews, and real-world project that we'll be covering. So you can buy this, mentorship course on TopMint. The link will be in description below. You can check it out. And that's it for this video. I wanted to give you guys a quick update and what's happening, like where I'm sharing content these days and why I'm not posting it regularly. And don't forget to follow me on other platform as well. And if you're interested in learning data analytics, check out Shivai and the mentorship program I talked about. And yeah, follow me on LinkedIn, Medium, Instagram, X, and all the places. And Shivai, of course, don't forget to follow Shivai and subscribe to it. And with that being said, thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the next video.